Both weathered and scratched plexiglass hatches and ports, paint or gel coat surfaces with obvious signs of wear, offer great potential during boat renovation. Preliminary sanding is carried out with 500 and 1000 grit sandpaper and the large sanding disc. Outstanding surface quality is achieved thanks to the foam backing on the sanding media. After subsequent polishing with the appropriate felt pads and fine polishing agent, the treated areas shine with new brilliance. Don't replace, refurbish, the cost-effective alternative with FEIN.